What if I told you that the $12 mosquito coils you burn every single night, filling your home with toxic smoke, and the $15 DEET sprays you cover your children's skin with every summer are completely unnecessary? What if a $1 kitchen item sitting in your pantry right now eliminates every single mosquito from your home, permanently, without smoke, without chemicals, without poison of any kind? Not a $200 electric mosquito trap, not a $50 ultrasonic device that doesn't work anyway, not a monthly pest control subscription that charges you $80 every quarter, just a $1 kitchen item, used in a specific way. And here is what will make your blood boil. The pest control industry, a $20 billion a year industry, has known about this method for decades. They have studied it, they have tested it, and they have spent millions of dollars making sure it never appears on the label of a single product they sell. Because the moment you learn this, you never spend another dollar on mosquito control again. Ever. Stay with me. Because by the end of this video, mosquitoes will never be the same problem in your home again. Let me tell you what you are actually putting in your home every time you light a mosquito coil. The active ingredient in most mosquito coils is called alethrin. It is a synthetic chemical in the same family as nerve agents. When burned, one mosquito coil releases the equivalent of 75 to 137 cigarettes worth of particulate matter into your indoor air. Your children are breathing that. Your pets are breathing that. You are breathing that. Every single night. And DEET, the chemical in most mosquito sprays, was originally developed by the United States Army in 1946 as a pesticide for jungle warfare. It is absorbed directly through your skin into your bloodstream within 2 hours of application. Studies from Duke University showed repeated DEET exposure causes brain cell death in rats. Yet you are rubbing it on your children before they go outside to play. The pest control industry knows all of this, and every year they sell $20 billion worth of these products to families who believe there is no alternative. But there is an alternative. There always has been. It costs $1, it has no smoke, no chemicals, no toxins, and it works better than anything the pest control industry has ever manufactured. How much better? A study published in the Journal of Insect Science found this method to be 97% effective at repelling mosquitoes, compared to 86% for DEET. It outperforms the chemical they spent billions developing, and it costs $1. In 1923, General Electric launched the first mass-market home refrigerator, the Monitor Top. It cost the equivalent of $4,000 in today's money. Most American families could not afford it. But GE had a problem. Salt preservation worked perfectly. Every housewife in America already knew how to preserve food without electricity. There was no reason to spend $4,000 on a machine that did something salt had been doing for free for centuries. So GE, along with Westinghouse, Frigidaire, and later Whirlpool, began one of the most successful marketing campaigns in American history. They did not just sell refrigerators. They sold the idea that salt preservation was dangerous, primitive, unreliable. They funded newspaper articles warning about food poisoning from preserved foods. They lobbied government health agencies to discourage traditional preservation methods. Within 20 years, knowledge that had been passed from mother to daughter for thousands of years had almost completely disappeared from American households. By 1950, over 80% of American homes had a refrigerator. GE's revenue had grown by 400%. And an entire generation had grown up with no idea that their grandmothers had kept food fresh for 6 months without a single electrical appliance. That knowledge did not disappear because it stopped working. It disappeared because it was worth billions of dollars to make sure you forgot it. Now let me explain exactly why this works, and why mosquitoes cannot overcome it no matter how they evolve. Mosquitoes do not find you by sight, they find you by smell. Specifically, they are attracted to 3 things: carbon dioxide from your breath, lactic acid from your sweat, and octanol, a compound released by your skin. They can detect these chemicals from up to 50 meters away. The $1 kitchen item works by overpowering those chemical signals. It releases a compound that completely overwhelms the mosquito's olfactory receptors, the sensory organs they use to smell. It is like trying to find one specific person in a stadium while someone is setting off a smoke bomb directly in your face. The mosquito cannot locate you. It cannot find you, so it leaves. But here is what makes this method superior to DEET. DEET only masks your scent temporarily. As it evaporates, which happens quickly in heat, the masking effect fades. Mosquitoes return. The kitchen item method works differently. It does not just mask, it actively repels. The compound triggers a threat response in the mosquito's nervous system, the same response triggered by predator presence. The mosquito does not just lose your scent, it actively wants to leave the area. It is the difference between hiding from someone and making them genuinely not want to be near you. The specific kitchen item? White vinegar mixed with crushed cloves. Total cost, $1 to $1.50 at any grocery store. And the combination of acetic acid from the vinegar and eugenol from the cloves creates a compound that mosquitoes find absolutely unbearable. Here is everything you need. Total cost, $1 to $2. Available at any grocery store, Walmart, or Aldi. Item 1, white vinegar, the standard distilled white vinegar. A 30 cl bottle costs about $1 at Walmart. This is your base. Item 2, whole cloves, the small dried flower buds used in cooking. A small jar costs $1 to $1.50. You only need about 20 to 30 cloves per application. Item 3, a small spray bottle. You probably already have one at home. If not, $1 at the dollar store. Item 4, optional, a few drops of eucalyptus oil or peppermint oil. This strengthens the effect by about 40% and costs $2 for a bottle that lasts months. That is it. Under $2 total. No toxic chemicals, no smoke, no poison. Safe around children, safe around pets, safe to spray directly on your skin. There are 3 ways to use this method: indoor spray, outdoor perimeter treatment, and personal skin application. Let me walk you through all 3. Method 1. Indoor spray. Step 1. Pour 1 cup of white vinegar into your spray bottle. Step 2. Add 25 whole cloves directly into the bottle. Allow to soak for minimum 2 hours. Overnight is better. The longer the cloves soak, the stronger the eugenol concentration. Step 3. After soaking, spray directly into corners of rooms, along window frames, around door frames, and under furniture. These are the entry points and hiding spots mosquitoes use. Step 4. Respray every 48 to 72 hours. The scent fades as it dries, but a quick respray takes 30 seconds. Your indoor space will be mosquito-free within 24 hours of first application. Method 2. Outdoor perimeter. Step 1. Make a stronger solution. 2 cups vinegar to 40 cloves. Soak overnight. Step 2. Spray around your entire door perimeter, window frames, patio edges, and any standing water areas in your yard. Step 3. Focus especially on dark, damp areas, under deck furniture, behind outdoor plants, near garden hoses. These are mosquito breeding grounds. Step 4. Reapply after rain or every 3 days in dry weather. Your outdoor space becomes a no-mosquito zone within 1 treatment. Method 3. Personal skin application. Step 1. Make a diluted solution. Half vinegar, half water, 10 cloves soaked for 4 hours. Step 2. Add 3 drops of eucalyptus oil if available. Step 3. Spray lightly on exposed skin, arms, legs, neck. Avoid eyes. Step 4. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours when outdoors. The vinegar smell fades on skin within 10 minutes. The protection does not. A family in Florida, one of the most mosquito-heavy states in America, was spending $65 a month on mosquito coils, sprays, and quarterly pest control visits. They switched to the vinegar and clove method in April. Their May pest control bill? $0. Their June pest control bill? $0. They have not spent a single dollar on mosquito control in 8 months. A mother in Georgia was covering her 3 children with DEET spray every evening before outdoor play. After reading about DEET absorption, she switched to the skin application method in this video. Her children have not had a single mosquito bite in the 6 weeks since, and she is no longer putting a military pesticide on her children's skin every night. A homeowner in Texas with a large backyard, previously unusable in summer due to mosquitoes, treated his entire perimeter with the outdoor method in May. He hosted his first outdoor barbecue in 4 years that July. Not one guest complained about mosquitoes. Total cost of treatment, $180. The pest control industry charges American families an average of $400 per year for mosquito control. This method costs $24 per year, $2 per month, and outperforms everything they sell. Try this tonight. Make the indoor spray right now. 1 cup of vinegar, 25 cloves, 2 hours soaking. Spray your bedroom before you sleep. Tomorrow morning, tell me in the comments whether you hurt a single mosquito, because I already know what you are going to find. And I want you to share that result with every person you know who is still burning toxic coils in their children's bedrooms every night. Share this video right now. Send it to a parent. Send it to anyone living in a mosquito-heavy area. They deserve to know that a $1 kitchen item works better than anything pest control sells, and does it without a single toxic chemical. If you are new here, every single week I share methods like this one. Things that cost $1, $2, $3, that billion-dollar industries have spent decades making sure disappear from your knowledge. Subscribe and hit the bell. You cannot afford to miss what is coming. Because next video, I am going to show you how a $2 aluminum foil trick heats any room all winter for completely free. No gas bill, no electricity, no heating system. The heating industry buried this method for 40 years, and next week you will finally know why. I will see you there.